Hello students, we are going to start with the different section which is very important for you in view of your examination also. This section is called as reading comprehension, and along with the reading comprehension I am also going to give you some grammar exercises. This first question of reading comprehension I am I have solved it. It is solved one, and the second one is given for the practice, right? So, as you know that there will be two reading comprehensions in the previous pattern of examination because of now this COVID-19. Whatever the new pattern will come later on, we will see. But reading comprehension will be there. That is for sure. So, question number one. Read the passage given below and answer the questions and complete the sentences that follow. This will be of 8 marks, right? So I'm going to read this and we will just answer also the questions. These days, it is not unusual to see people listening to music or using their electronic gadgets while crossing busy roads or traveling on public transports. Regardless of the risks involved, I have often wondered why they take such risks. Is it because they want to exude a sense of independence, or is it that they want to tell the world to stop bothering them? Or is it that they just want to show how cool they are? Whether it is a workman or an executive, earphones have become an inseparable part of our lives. Sometimes even leading to tragicomic situations. The other day, an electrician had come to our house to fix something. We told him in detail what needed to be done, but after he left, I found that the man had done almost nothing. It later turned out that he could not hear our directions clearly because he had an earphone on. Hundreds of such earphones addicts commute by the Delhi metro every day. While one should not begrudge anyone their moments of privacy for their love for music, the fact is, iPod Oblivion can sometimes be very. Recently, I was traveling with my wife on the Delhi metro. Since the train was approaching the last station, there weren't too many passengers. In our compartment, other than us, there were only two women sitting on the other side of the aisles. And then suddenly, I spotted a duffel bag. The bomb scare lasted for several minutes. Then suddenly a youth emerged from nowhere and picked up the bag. When we tried to stop him, he looked at us, surprised. Then he took off his earpieces, lifted the bag, and told us that the bag belonged to him and that he was going to get off at the next station. We were stunned, but recovered in time to ask him where he was all this while. His answer: he was in the compartment, leaning against the door, totally immersed in the music. He had no clue about what was going on around him. When he got off, earplugs in his hand, we could hear strains of the song. Third one is picked, lifted. So these were the answers of the 8 marks paragraph. My dear students, we are moving on to the question number 2. Same thing. Again, one more paragraph I am giving, the passage I am giving you. Read the following passage carefully, and this is for your practice. I want you to go through this particular passage. Okay, take your time, read nicely, and try to find out the answers. So this is the passage given for you to read. You may take some time. So this is the paragraph. Okay, this is also for the 8 marks. I am moving on to the page. Okay, so read it nicely and So, and try to understand also each and every word which you find difficult. You have to read carefully and then be ready for the questions. Questions are given onto the next page. So read the questions here. Altogether there are directly 8 questions are given for the short answers. So these answers you need to complete in your classwork. Do not forget, this is the practice one and the material must be written in your classwork systematically. Right? We have started reading comprehension, so it must be there in your classwork systematically written. Okay, so shall I move on to the next section? That is the grammar section. This grammar section is for gap filling. Study the given notes and complete the paragraph that follows by filling up the gaps with the most appropriate option from those given. So notes are given also about the rainy day. Main topic of this one paragraph is rainy day. So notes are also given: rainy day, busy traffic, car collision with a speeding bus, badly injured, died on the spot, injured taken to the hospital. Okay, now you have to go through this. It was a rainy day, traffic, A dash, busy on the road. Okay, a B dash, hit a car badly in the market. 5 commuters were badly injured while one person C dash on the spot. The injured persons were taken to the nearest hospital. The local people were of great help. So you have been given, the options are given. A for A, 1 will be, 2 was, 3 is, and fourth one is has been. Second one for the B1, 1 speeding bus, 2 speeded bus, 3 sped up bus, 4th speed bus. C, number 1 option was died, number 2 had died, number 3 died, number 4 is died. Okay, so this particular grammar exercise also you have to complete at home. Exercise is coming up: instruction for opening a bank AC or bank account. So some notes are given. Select the bank of your choice, contact the customer care officer in the bank, contact the proper authority as instructed by the customer care, submit the required documents, contact the bank as instructed for collecting your passbook and ATM card. So paragraph goes like this: for opening a bank AC, you A dash to select a bank of your choice. You B dash to visit the bank and contact the customer care officer there. Thereafter, you should meet the concerned authority. You C dash to submit the required documents. Don't forget to visit the bank for collecting the passbook and ATM card. Options are given here. A, number 1, require. 2, are required. 3, will require. 4, have to require. B, 1, will. 2, should. 3, need. 4, are. C, 1, must. 2, shall. 3, are required. And 4th, should. Okay, so this also you have to complete in your class. Last and the final one, the polishing your shoes. Clean shoes, polish coated, let them soak, brush to shine. Shoes, A dash of dust with a brush, a layer of polish B dash over the shoes. One should wet a little till the polish C dash, then shoes are brushed to shine. A, option number 1, is cleaned, 2 will be cleaned, 3 are cleaned, 4 has to be cleaned. B. Number 1 option has coated, 2 need be coated, 3 is coated, 4th will be coated. C. Option number 1 was dyed, number 2 had died, number 3 died, and number 4 is died. So complete the proper with the proper option and write in your classwork. So this was the reading comprehension and grammar exercises for you to complete, because grammar section is very important. So you need to do a lot of practice at home in order to complete the grammar section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching. Even more grammar exercises and reading comprehensions will be given time to time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.